How to send free text on TextNow. First of all, open the app on your device and log in with your account. On the home screen, tap on the message icon to start a new conversation. In the to field at the top, you can either type the phone number of the person you want to message or select a saved contact from your list. This makes it simple to reach anyone instantly. Once the recipient is added, tap on the text box at the bottom of the screen and type your message. After you finish typing, press the send button and your message will be delivered right away. The app also supports emojis and pictures, so you can make your text more fun and personal. You can continue chatting in the same conversation thread, just like any other messaging app. The best part is that every message you send through TextNow is completely free, which makes it a great choice for staying connected without worrying about extra charges. Now you know how to send free text on TextNow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.